Today we're going to show you how to make Tyson's homemade Tom Cruise chili. Why is it named that?
Okay.
Try to make it quick.
All right, just quick. Anyway, so, you know, I took this homeless guy in, and he looked like Tom Cruise.
He met a homeless man while he was working.
I was working somewhere.
At a local furniture store, and he let the homeless man stay in his backyard in a tent. And the homeless man was a chef, because you're not going to tell it quickly.
I'm just saying.
He was a chef, and he looked a lot like Tom Cruise.
He looked just like Tom Cruise.
You will need the following things.
You need 2 green bell peppers. Why didn't you do it? Because you always do a better job. I'll let you know if you do it. Say something wrong.
Okay, great. You will need the following things. 2 green bell peppers and 2 onions chopped. I have put half of the onion over here for garnishing later. You're gonna need 3 cans of tomato sauce. You're gonna need 1 can of tomatoes with green chilies. It rhymes with motel. I think we all know what we're talking about. Cilantro, kidney beans, 4, what kind of
Roma tomatoes.
Roma tomatoes. A lime, 1 jalapeno. We left the seeds in. We're trying to make super hot.
Yeah.
Oh, you need to tell me about this.
Well, you know, you have cumin and oregano. You have little cayenne pepper, paprika, a little salt.
Okay, do we have amounts on those things?
You know when you know. Those are just like you know what I mean?
Okay.
You just
A cup of chili powder. How much minced garlic is this? About a half a cup?
No, that's
a fourth? A
no,
third?
that's 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of minced garlic. 1 can of tomato paste. And how much of this Goya adobo?
This is just for a little seasoning on the meat.
No amount.
So there's no amounts. You just want to sprinkle on one side, sprinkle on the other.
We have 2 pounds of bison and 2 pounds of cubed steak.
Exactly, because we want it to be hearty.
We do.
It's a you know, it's Tom Cruise chili, so it's very adventurous.
Why did Tom Cruise use bison? Just because it's healthier? Or did you add that?
I added the Tom Cruise. I added it.
So can I ask you a question?
Yep.
When did homeless Tom Cruise show you this recipe? When he was leaving the tent in your backyard?
All right, the only reason why he was in the tent is because I had kids and I wasn't sure if I wanted Tom Cruise like running through the house acting crazy. So he said he was going to be, he said he was going to be sleeping in the tent. I said, why don't you sleep in the tent in the backyard? That way, if anything,
he was going to sleep in the tent inside the house?
No, he was going to do it.
I'm just saying, if he was going to kill your family, he was going to kill your family.
No, but no. In the sleep is what I was concerned about.
Right.
If I'm awake, then I can see you coming, then it's going to be a little scuffle. But it's not going to be easy, okay? You got to be careful, people. You know what I'm saying? It's all kind of crazy people out there. You don't just bring somebody in your house you don't know. He just said, hey, I said, man, I'm making chili. That's what I'm eating tonight. He said, you know what? I'm a chef.
Right.
Can I show you the way I do it? I said.
And you said, absolutely, Tom Cruise. Come on into my kitchen.
All right. Now, one thing about this recipe that's different is the digital pressure cooker.
He loves it.
Thank you, Mom.
Loves it. Okay.
Anyway, so now,
what do you put in first?
What you do first is we need a little olive oil. We did not talk about that. But you need a little olive oil. Come on.
Always. Oh, it has a risotto setting. Stews and soups.
What I do is I put it on
chicken and meat.
Chicken and meat, because I tweak everything.
Right.
So you take a little bit of the onions, okay?
Wait, didn't you need to put the adobo on there?
I am, but I do it in the pot. Anyway.
Oh, okay.
All right, here we go.
Well, you know nobody can see in that pot.
But
there's a camera right in the frame. Sure.
I don't know about that camera frame. We're just going to keep this camera on this side. We don't need to see in the pot.
We don't need to see in the pot.
You're only browning it.
You're just browning it. You know what's happening in here. When did you meet Tom Cruise?
Oh, this is back in the early 90s.
Really?
Yeah.
So you were married. What did your wife say about that? She just said, okay, put him in the back with the tent?
She was nervous, but that's why I put him in the tent. I said, listen, man, she's a little nervous about you coming in the house.
You blamed her.
Yeah. I mean, after everybody else was worried, then I got a little worried, but it was... You don't even need to use, you don't even have to brown it. Some people put it in raw, and then they're good to go. They don't think about it.
Right.
I just personally like to brown it.
Right.
Because it seals in some of the flavor that, you know.
Do you know that to be true? You keep saying that, but
hey, that's what they tell you when you look on the recipes, and they say, you know, it seals in the flavor.
We need to do a box on that.
Let's do it.
To brown or not to brown? Don't look very good. You know, tomatoes are not in season right now.
Roma tomatoes are good, and the reason why they're here is because I like chunky ingredients.
Yeah, put that in there.
You put the garlic in.
Garlic.
Now, we're gonna add a little pepper. Do we have pepper? Can I get some pepper? Hey, listen, people, if you don't put salt and pepper on everything that you make, something's wrong. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to stop this from burning.
Oh, it smells good.
Go ahead and add the motel diced tomatoes and chili peppers in there. We're gonna add that in there.
All right.
Add
the tomato sauce.
Then we're going to add the beans.
This is when we can talk about the beans. A lot of people have a lot of opinions about beans and chili, okay? This is Tom Cruise's recipe. That's all we know.
Not the Tom Cruise, but the homeless
Tom Cruise.
Look-alike Tom Cruise.
So did he put beans in it?
We did, but
fine.
Tyson, this is Tyson's. It has to be Tyson's Tom Cruise chili.
Okay.
So we clarify that.
Fine, put it in.
Okay, so now we add the onions, green peppers and onions.
Oh my God, I'm so excited about this.
We're gonna add some cilantro, but you know what?
I didn't put that much. What do you want?
That's good.
Okay.
It don't even smell like chili yet, does it? No.
No, it doesn't even.
Ah, that's the point. Exactly.
Some meat stew.
Now, put that in there.
Okay.
And here we go.
Okay, here it comes.
Now, you gotta add a little water.
Yeah. How come? We don't know.
Because. Then you add your chili powder.
Oh, this is major. This is like a witch's brew.
Everything I do is very witchy brewish.
Look at that. Y'all don't know what just happened in here. That went from 0 to chili in 5 seconds.
Just like that.
Just like that.
Okay, now you want to add the jalapeno pepper.
Okay, and I left the seeds in, guys, because I want to rock my face off. I mean, it smells amazing.
Okay, here we go.
That's the right amount. I think I'm not putting enough chili powder in my chili.
Add a little of that. This is what I do. This is for garnishment.
Do one.
Give a little squeeze. Little squeeze. Now, we're going to add some more water in there.
Okay. Delicious. Delicious.
Okay.
Delicious.
Smells right.
What do you want?
Okay, here we go. Now.
We're done.
Just, if you don't have one of these, then you just take your lid and your pot and just turn it up. Okay.
How long do you cook it if you do it in a normal pot?
I'm gonna put it 20 minutes. I'm gonna
Why did you never show me this recipe? You've known this since the 90s?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're gonna make some cornbread to go with the chili because Tyson says you cannot have chili without cornbread.
This one.
He's making cornbread with
some.
What is this Sazon seasoning? But what's in here?
Sazon. Goya Sazon.
Yeah, but what's in it?
You can read it.
It's a special mix of seasonings.
That's why I was waiting for her to say that. You don't need to know what's in it. You just need the packet, okay?
Know. Google this.
So anyway, so what we're gonna do is, the reason why we use Jiffy is because it's easy and it's good. It's classic. You know what I'm saying? It's a classic thing.
You're just following the package.
Come on, it's not like. But here's the bam.
May I?
Yes. It's all about color. It's about presentation.
But what about the taste? Isn't it also about taste? I mean, it's a nice color, but is it going to taste like duty?
There's a lot of oil in there. Wait a minute. How are you going to ruin my recipe, woman?
Where do you put it? Where are you putting this next?
In the oven.
Well, you need to preheat it, don't you?
I don't know how to work that oven. It's all about plated presentation. Then we need a little bit of that. Just one little sliver.
Only do one at a time. Only do one at a time here. Oh, it's beautiful.
How does that look? Marsha, how does that look?
You know, the entire studio audience is sitting here just...
I know.
You know what? I will wait. Come, Marsha. Let's bring in the Marsha.
This is so good. This is so good, Tyson.
Did you make this, Tyson?
But it's his nice recipe.
You always tweak that's why it's Tyson's Tom Cruise chili. It's a homeless Tom Cruise. It's not the real. It's not the real Tom Cruise.
He's a
homeless Tom Cruise. But he looked just like him.
He looked delicious.
You must take it.
I'm taking this.
That's you. Yeah. That's for you.
Thank you.
Okay.
You're so nice. I would never have offered that to anybody.
See, it's all about being nice. New year, you cut negativity out, and you're nice to people. That's how I got the recipe, because I was nice to the homeless dude. If I hadn't been nice to the homeless dude, never would have known.